What's up, Texas? It's Officer Justin from Patrol Stories, and first, let me start by saying, wow, what an awesome experience we had on the first half of the Patrol Stories tour. Check this out!
Natasha Harris.
I'm Bobby Allen.
Tasha Scott.
I'm Keely Summers.
Whoop, whoop.
And my name is Mallory Tate.
We just had an amazing visit from Patrol Stories.
It was so amazing.
It was amazing. Just the content, the energy.
Very informative, very fun.
Enthusiastic.
They tailored the presentation for each audience.
The kids were hyped. They had the best time ever. They were screaming and dancing. You will love Patrol Stories.
This is the best assembly I've ever seen in my 15 years in education.
The program was phenomenal.
2 thumbs up.
Oh my gosh, the show was amazing.
We'd like to thank all of our supporters, sponsors, and donors who made this possible. Patrol Stories was able to visit over 30 schools and 18,000 students, giving them an ultimate first responder experience they will never forget.
I would recommend them.
Definitely, I recommend it.
I would recommend this to anybody.
100%. Every school needs this program.
Book them because they are the real deal.
It's the best thing you'll see.
Patrol Stories is now booking the second half of our tour, so act fast because with limited spots available, you don't want to miss this experience. We will see you starting September 2022. Salute!